Hello viewers, we'll be going over ACB, and on the 1 hour chart we remain in positive MACD, but we're seeing signs of a diverge and we're off of overbought conditions with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we remain in positive MACD and slightly in overbought levels with the RSI. We have yet to test the 9 moving average as support at the price of $9.95. And if we extend out once more onto the daily chart, we have finally reached to positive MACD and we're currently at overbought levels with the RSI. So if we do manage to head up higher, the resistance continues to be where we made the highs back in November 9th at around a price of $14, as that coincided with the highs in the past back in June 23rd. And as for support, that will be the 200-day moving average, this green line, and that is at the price of $10.92. So if we do manage to head down lower to test support, that price movement to the downside is roughly around 4.9%, and to test resistance, that is around 24.7%. And thank you for watching.